Hi PO5 friends! Today we're making a page that shows the life cycle of a butterfly. It's all about putting them in the right sequence, which means what happens first, second, third, and fourth. What order do these creatures grow in? So here's the words life cycle of a butterfly. And up here at the top you can write your name. And then it shows us inside these circles, number 1, that's where the first one goes. And underneath it says, first are eggs. Number 2 has the word caterpillar underneath it. Number 3 has the word chrysalis. And number 4 has the word butterfly underneath it. Okay? So I took some time to cut out my circles with my scissors, just being very careful not to get my fingers in the way of the blades and try to stay on the lines. Moving my hands so that will help me follow the line with my scissors. And here is the first part of the life cycle. This shows lots and lots of little eggs on a leaf, just like in Eric Carle's story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In The Light of the Moon, a little egg was on a leaf. So we're going to glue this picture on number 1. Remember, number 1 looks like a straight line down. It's at the top of the butterfly. I decided to use my glue stick because I don't need to use something heavier like liquid glue, and this will dry faster. So let me put some glue on this little egg and stick it right here on the top. Now we want to find out what happens after the eggs are laid on the leaf. So the next one, it tells us caterpillars come out of the eggs, they hatch. And here's our picture of the caterpillar. He starts out small, and then as he continues to eat, he grows and grows. So we're going to take that caterpillar, put some glue on it, and stick it over on the other side on number 2. Now I started coloring my butterfly with some markers too. You can color the whole thing if you want to. You can make it any colors you want. It doesn't have to look like mine. But butterflies always have the same pattern on both sides, on both wings. So over here on the edges there's yellow, and it has to be the same on the other side. That's called symmetry. You can see on this butterfly here, here's its head, and there's its antennae, and here's its body. They didn't really draw the legs on this picture, but real butterflies have 6 legs. Okay, so down here for number 3, after the caterpillar comes out of its egg, then it starts to form a chrysalis. It hangs from a branch and starts wrapping the chrysalis around itself. So the chrysalis looks just like this. Let's take some glue, put it on our chrysalis, and put it on number 3. Can you tell me here at the bottom which one is number 3? Do you see it? Yep. Around the tree, that's the way you make a 3. Put our chrysalis right there, and we have one more space left. So it starts as an egg, comes out as a tiny caterpillar, and eats and grows bigger, makes itself into a chrysalis, and then number 4, it comes out of the chrysalis and is a butterfly. I don't know if you know this, but the butterflies don't fly right away when they first come out of their chrysalis. When they first come out, their wings are a little bit wet and crumpled, and they have to open them up and let them dry for a little while and sit down. And then when they're ready, they'll fly away. So feel free to decorate as much of your butterfly as you would like. And always remember, the life cycle starts with eggs, then there's a caterpillar, then a chrysalis, and then a butterfly, just like in Jack Hartman's song. See you next time, friends!